Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a while, it's been a long while. You're probably wondering where I'm at and what I'm doing. I am actually out on one of my winter trips.
It tastes fantastic.
Oh my gosh. That thing was monster. I'm in a new tent. I'm in my Alux Deluxe. It's a new hot tent. First time camping in it. Tested out in the backyard a month ago. And now me and Bruce are out here doing some camping. I got here about 9 o'clock and had to clear out the snow, set up the wood stove, and set up our bedding and get everything ready. The only thing I got left to do is go hunt down firewood. There's the tent itself. Oh, the tent weighs 6 pounds. It stands 5.5 feet tall, and I think it's 10 feet wide. It's a pretty big tent now. I got it pretty well staked down. First time I set this up, I apparently didn't do it right. So you, to set it up, you put it on these tension points. And then once you hit all 6 points, you go in and you put the poles in, and then you go around and you pull the adjusters, and then you stake out the rest. It's pretty actually simple to set up, now that I actually got the hang of it. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. This is the first real camping trip that it's out. Oh, really get to have some fun with it. It's the Alux twin shelter. That's what it is. Oh, my bad. I'm still figuring this thing out. But compared to my other one, my Mountain Hardware Hoopla, I can set up a chair in here, have all my sleeping gear, all my gear, plus the wood stuff, plus a huge area for firewood storage. And I get this cool door that I could go out. pretty cool. I like it. I did test out the wood stove in it in my yard. I just wanted to see for myself. So, oh yeah. So good to be back out. Gosh, it's been too long. I'll explain more later. Alright. Well, that is the front of the tent. It's got one pole right there. And all my stuff is on that side. That's where I'm sleeping. Bruce is on my bed right now. Well, everybody who's seen my videos in the past have seen that sleeping bag before. Love that thing. I think it's so warm. All my stuff on it. Mr. Bruce. Sweepy dog. And what's cool about this tent is, okay, you gotta bear with me, sorry. Oh, it's got a screen mesh on the inside. So if I truly wanted to, I can open up the main door and then close the screen part. So that way I could keep it pretty well ventilated. And then it's got this latch on top. And what it does is it holds the, it's a ventilation. So this tent is very well ventilated. All my stuff came in mostly in a duffel bag with divided up between my dry bags, tub full of food. And then let's look on the other side. So same thing, door over there. And that's where my wood stove is, and my chair right next to it. I got my watch hanging up, keeping track of the temperature for me. And then, of course, the firewood. But what's really cool about this door, or this tent, so you see that zipper right there? There's one over there. And what you can do is open this up, and this turn, if I had a pull, I could turn this into an awning, but I do not, and I'm not going to. Maybe tomorrow. But let's go outside. Come here. It's 4 o'clock already. And so excuse me, thirsty. Water. It's 4 o'clock. At 3:30, the sun disappears behind the hill on the back side of me. And let me just say, once that sun disappeared, the wind really picked up and it just got a whole lot colder. So I just fired up the wood stove. I put some firewood in there just now. Split up some smaller pieces. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Gonna have a steak for dinner tonight. That'll be really good. On the wood stove. With mashed potatoes and rice. That'll be my dinner tonight. Then I brought chili brats and burgers. So, if my friends show up, well, I'll have a little extra hands to help me eat. Because I definitely packed for a 5-day trip, but it ended up going from 5 days to 4 days to 3 days. The reason being is I just wasn't ready to leave on Wednesday like I was hoping. So I decided to push it off a day. I was going to leave yesterday, Thursday. And on Wednesday, a huge snowstorm came, like we was talking about earlier. Dropped a lot of snow down there. Really screwed things up. After shoveling for a couple hours, almost a foot of snow, I didn't have the energy in me to drive up the mountain, set up, and do all the work that usually goes with camping. Well, I decided to push it back off another day. Here we are, Friday, which I would be 2 days in by now. Sucks, but at least I made it. It is a great feeling to be back. I haven't been out here camping in a while for reasoning. Let's see. Last time I came camping was early December. And then prior to that, the last real big trip that I did was my New Year's trip into 2020. Just right before the whole COVID thing happened. And so I was having issues with my truck at the time and ended up buying a Jeep later on. Then COVID hit and they started shutting down the county. So I did go on a camping trip in April just for a night. It was supposed to be more, but they shut everything down and I just didn't want to get in trouble. It was a $5,000 ticket if you were caught in a county you weren't supposed to be in. So fast forward, summertime comes and it just dries out. Colorado goes through one of the worst wildfire seasons we've had. It was snow and ash at my house. That's how bad it was. Fire bands got infected. So I basically got stuck trying to figure out something else. I really wanted to go camping and backpacking. Had all these trips planned for the side, but nothing wasn't going to happen. So I decided to go on a mine explore binge. And all I did most of the summer is go mine exploring and some canoe trips. Otherwise, that was my summer. I did go camping for my 31st birthday back in July. It's cool. Same friends that might be showing up. Excuse me. So, come forward and everything. Fire bans are still in effect until about December. So, it wasn't until it really started snowing. But with the snow we're now receiving, it is helping out with drought conditions. Hopefully it'll be a good summer. I don't know. But right now, I'm out here right now because this is taking advantage of an opportunity that if I don't get out for another month or so going camping, at least I'll do other things on the side. Itchy. Well, as it being, I'm gonna try. My last video of 2020 was my adventure underground with a friend, and where we explored a few mines and actually made it pretty far in. It's a pretty cool day. After that, I did go on a rappel down another mine shaft near me, someplace I've always wanted to. I'll definitely get that video uploaded. Blech. And then I spent all of January rebuilding my Jeep. Just a lot of issues need to be advised, and I had to pay attention to them. So it's almost end of February. I did go on a mine explore again last weekend. I'll get that video up and going soon too. And then I'm on vacation, so I came out here. I've just been taking care of other things most of the week before I came out here. I was just trying to make sure I was okay to leave. So here we are. It's Friday. It's the 26th of February, and yeah, finally back out to go camping. Keep checking the wood stove, watching the temperature gauge, just seeing where it's at. It's almost getting to the red, which means it's starting to get warm in here. Let's see, 47 up there now. It's better than 31. Oh, we'll see what happens, but yeah, that's basically the gist of it. I do plan on definitely throwing in a mix of things this coming year. I would like to go back underground again with a friend. Let's see, maybe canoe trip soon. I can't wait to get back out on the water. Definitely will be out camping a little more. I think that's it. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know. I'm going to sit here, maintain this darn thing, and I'll see you soon. Anything to say, Bruce? Oh, she passed out. I'm over here talking all loud. What's wrong with me? Sorry. Welcome back to another Nick's Fireside Chat. How's it going? Hope you're having a pleasant night. I am cracking open a new Belgium Voodoo Ranger IPA. It's 7.7%. I've had it before. It's very good. And it's my only one. So let's enjoy it. Stove's getting nice and hot. Trying to push it past the red zone. We're going dangerous. But let me just say, it is a great feeling. Feels pleasant. Feels nice. And I feel fantastic. Excuse me. And that's it for Nick's Fireside Chat. Thanks for tuning in. It's 6 o'clock. Well, it's time to have my steak. Very hungry right too. I'm gonna throw this on and get started. Well, dinner was great. Steak was delicious. I shared half of it with Bruce. Now he's all full and tuckered out. Yep. Well, since I had dinner, it's time for a shot of some Jim Beam Red Stag. Should be very good. I brought a bigger bottle than what I needed. Black cherry, some lemonade, alright, cheers. Cheers to camping, cheers to a campfire, a tent, and some stars, which I have none of that right now. I have a wood stove, a hot tent, and clouds. Yeah, clouds. So, cheers. Oh. It's like a black cherry lemonade. Yum. It is hot in here. It actually doesn't feel that bad outside. Actually feels pretty pleasant, which is surprising. There's like a small percentage for snow tomorrow. Small. We'll see. It's a good thing snowplows come up here pretty frequently. Yeah, this is fun. It's nice to be out. It's nice to... got a lot of coals in the stove. The ice is melting all around me, which it is also making it very slick. Stove is glowing. A lot of coals in the back. I'm trying to break those coals down, but shh. That thing was climbing too. My only concern, because I'm almost 10,000 feet right now, my Jeep does not like the high altitude. It's probably my battery. But, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what tomorrow brings. For now, crazy. I can hear the ice just melting, breaking down. Is that better? It's easier to make these kind of videos now because I have a different camera. Actually, it's first real camping trip, full trip. I'm actually making a YouTube video out of it. And it's nice because I have the LCD screen that flips out and allows me to see what I'm doing, which I've been wanting for a long time. It's a really good camera. It's a Nikon D56. I like it. Been using it for quite some time now. Most of all my mine explorers, most of the summer. Canoeing. Taking pictures. I love the picture quality I get out of this thing. Alright, I'm gonna get back to meat. Oh, well, hey there. That light is bright. I'm using my camera light for my Mine Explorer that I brought out here. Put some new batteries in there, and gosh, it's lit up my whole tent. That thing does great for underground. And it doesn't take away the battery from my camera. Spider fart. Spider fart. Like stale pumpkins. Oh my gosh. I don't remember eating pumpkins. I know, Bruce. Oh, It's gorgeous outside. No wind. Not even a slight breeze. The moon's trying to come out. Clouds are kind of thinning out. Really hoping we don't see snow tomorrow. And if it does, hopefully it'll be much later on. I'm trying to let the coals in the stove break down, so I open the front door. I think it's the first time you can see me this well at nighttime. Oh, he's going for his food. He really likes that Crave dog food, lamb. It's really good for him. He's on a diet right now. Okay. I'm sorry I looked. But anywho, what time is it? Oh, 7:38. I'm gonna try and stay up pretty late. Whew. Okay, better. Alright, I gotta put firewood in. Rosie. Super bright. Well, it's about that time again. Cheers. Oh. Yeah, I don't need it. Excuse me. Oof. So good. Well, I just want to share some stuff, and I finally was able to see what the forecast looks like for the remainder. And I hate to do this, but I'll probably end up leaving tomorrow. It's supposed to drop way down in temperature. I mean, we're talking straight into the negatives. I'm not completely prepared for that kind of stuff. I mean, I do have the wood stove, but I don't know. I'm more worried about my vehicle not starting because of the cold, the frigid cold, and the high altitude. Said like 9,500 feet, 9,300 feet. Yep. So I'm not sure. We'll see what it looks like. Down a little bit lower. It's not going to be snowing, but possibly where it is here, there could be a chance. And you know, -10 does not sound exciting right now. It's only supposed to be like a high of 7, and then by like 2 it's going to start dipping into the negative. So if I could get out of here before noon, I should have a good window. But that could also be for up higher, up 10,000 feet or more. I don't know. We'll see. For now, I'm just enjoying this. It's 8:18. I stuck my watch outside to get an exact, the right temperature for where I'm at. Because when I go outside, it really doesn't feel all that bad. There's no breeze. I mean, it's like perfect. I don't know, it could be because I'm in here and I get super heated and then I go outside. Whatever. We'll see. Only time will tell. No, it ain't that bad outside. I'll check my watch here soon and see what it is. It is very warm in here right now. Oh my gosh. To the lemonade. To the lemonade stand. Oh my gosh. This is getting more slicker. I have to be extra careful. I tried to break the ice, but I could not. I took my shovel, I rammed it in there. I tried to push up the ice, but I could not. Some areas broke off and exposed solid ground, but the rest of it's just snow and ice, which is dangerous because all it takes is just one little slip and whoo! I could crack my head on the stove. I can take out my camera. I could take out a pole and burn. I mean, there's a lot of possibilities that can happen right now. That's why I'm not trying to get too hammered right now. I'm not even buzzed right now, so I'm doing all right. I'm trying to keep a good limit. All right. Yeah, what's up? Alright. I got less than an hour until probably gonna crash, so you know what? Let's do one more shot. One more. After this, it's bedtime. Just about. What time is it? Okay, it's only 9:14, but yeah, this will be my last video for the night. Then I'll see you tomorrow. See what happens. I think the weathers for up higher and where I'm at won't be so bad. So, cheers. It's been fun. It's been exciting. Whew. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out. Throw some more wood in the stove. Keep it rolling. And then just crash out. Move Bruce's bed to next to mine. Because I can't sleep on my sleeping bag. I need that. I can't sleep outside. This has been really exciting though, I'd say. I don't know. It's about becoming that time. And tired. I haven't taken a nap. I've just been going at it most of the day. Relaxing, chopping wood, relaxing. Starting the stove, relaxing. Drinking, eating, and relaxing. So, yeah, this tent's pretty cool. I really like it. It's big, it's roomy. Compared to my last one, I took the poles from my hot tent, used them for here, because this doesn't come with poles. All it comes with is the tent and stakes. So, poles came from my hot tent, and it's the first time I've ever been able to extend it all the way up for a shelter. It's pretty cool that I have more room in here, even to sit in a chair and relax. I couldn't do that in the other one. Sorry. And the other one, everybody saw, I'd be sitting on my sleeping bag right next to the stove, and it's just small, and between me and Bruce it was just tiny. So yeah, I upgraded, and I actually saw this for the first time on Instagram, and I looked into it, and I saw it and ordered it, and within a week it was at my house, and I set it up in the backyard and tested it out. It's pretty cool. I had a girlfriend come over, first night stayed in it. Fired up the wood stove, went and bought firewood, and just hung out basically. It snowed on us. Totally worth it. No, we'll see what happens. So, see you till next time in my tomorrow.